Hi guys, Danielle here from Mostly Clean Eats, and today I have a recipe for how to bake paleo pumpkin bread with a cream cheese maple frosting. This recipe is paleo, so it's gluten-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free, and I know what you're thinking, but I promise it tastes delicious. A lot of times that gluten-free baking has that grainy taste. This is super fluffy and just out of this world delicious pumpkin bread. It's mid-September and I'm already on my third pumpkin recipe for you guys. I know, it's crazy, right? Pumpkin is so basic and overplayed, but if you love it, you love it. So I'm going to link above right here also my pumpkin spice latte, which is also paleo, and my flourless pumpkin brownies, which are also paleo. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you do, please subscribe to the blog. I drop new recipes every Monday and Friday. And on Wednesdays, I drop meal prep and cooking hack videos. Enjoy! Okay guys, so this pumpkin bread is going to be cooked all in one bowl, but we are going to start by whisking our dry ingredients together first. So you're going to take your almond flour, your arrowroot, your pumpkin pie spice, and you're going to mix that all together. All the ingredients with the measurements, they're going to be listed below in the description, so you'll see exactly how much you need and you can follow along with the recipe or print it out if you want. So now it's time to mix in our wet ingredients. So we have pumpkin puree, make sure it's not pumpkin pie mix, then maple syrup, a splash of vanilla, 2 eggs, and some applesauce. Also linked below, I have 2 recipes up on the blog for how to make your own vanilla extract in the Instant Pot and the easiest way to make applesauce in the Instant Pot. So you can check both of those out. If you don't want to use applesauce, you can also use the same amount, I think it's a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. That will work the same. You're going to prepare your loaf pan with a spritz of oil or parchment paper. Once the pan is prepared, you're going to pour the batter into the pan and spread it out evenly. Now we're going to bake at 350 for 50 to 60 minutes. So now we're going to start with our frosting. With a stand mixer or with an electric hand mixer, you're going to cream together your cream cheese, dairy-free for paleo, and some coconut oil. Then you're going to add your maple syrup and almond milk 1 tablespoon at a time. Make sure after this you want to scrape the bowl so everything mixes together nicely. And then you're going to add in a splash of vanilla. And then after that, you're going to finish it off with a little bit of pumpkin pie spice. And now you have maple cream cheese frosting. You're going to wait a few minutes for your loaf to cool. And once that's done, you're going to flip it out of the loaf pan. Once it is completely cool, you can add your cream cheese frosting. So you're going to spread it in a nice thin layer over the bread. Once this is done, then we're going to top with a little bit of extra pumpkin pie spice. This pumpkin bread, you guys, is so simple, so delicious. You can have it for breakfast, you can have it for dessert, you can just eat it as a snack throughout the day. I cooked a loaf last night and it's almost completely gone from Dave and I just eating it all day long. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to the channel. New recipes every Monday and Friday. Wednesday meal prep and cooking hack videos. As with all my recipes, everything is linked below. All the ingredients, everything you would need. Enjoy!